This video will explain how to redirect domains in DreamIT Host, and you don't need to have a cPanel or direct admin set up for this to work. So log into your DreamIT Host and click on domains. Then find the domain that you've bought and you want to redirect to another one. So in this case, I'm going to do this .au and redirect it to the .com.au. And just click on the box or click on this and manage domain. Then on the left hand side here, click on this Addons tab, and where it says DNS host record management, click on order for $0. Click on buy now for $0. Once you have been redirected to the invoice, you'll have to go back to domains and list domains, and then find your domain again and click on Addons again, and then this time click on manage under the DNS host record management. Now under this URL forwards, click on the plus icon, go to your domain that you want it to be forwarded to or redirected to, and under the address paste in that URL and remove the HTTPS and any colons, like just have the domain, and make sure the type is a URL forward, and then click on the little tick. And now when you go to this URL here, it should redirect it to your website.